Listening. Skills. Three. Listen and tick the correct answers.
Review 1. Page 37. Listening. Activity 3. Listen and tick the correct answers. Conversation 1.
Yaz's having a birthday party tonight, and I'm afraid that I can't go. Why not? Lots of homework. Why don't you ask your sister to help? She's so good at math. I don't want to. Oh no! You can still do your homework first and go to the party later. Yes, it's a better idea. I'll do as you say. Great! See you there.
Conversation 2.
By the way, is Munt coming too? I saw his name in the list, but I don't know if he's coming. Why? I don't like him. He often tells a lie. Yes, I know. He lies to his friends and never says sorry when he's discovered. Does he know that lying leads him nowhere? And he's losing friends. Yes. We can't trust a liar, can we? No, we can't.